Good morning. Confession time. I did not come in this weekend and work at all, and yesterday would have been a perfect day to do this painting. It was Father's Day and I was tired after last week, and I just took the weekend off. But it's okay, I'm going to motor today. I'm busy taping up the area outside. I'll take you out in a second to see what I've done. And then I need to mix up the top coat and we need to put it on. The problem is the wind's picked up like a lot. We're supposed to have 30 knots, and the problem with painting in wind like that is that well, essentially what you're painting is flypaper. So every little piece of dust, every little fly and creature that's swimming around and flying around the marine is going to get stuck to it. It is the first coat and there will be sanding between coats, but let me get it done. Top coat next time. This has been sitting for a very, very long time. Oh man, as fast as I blink, that is literally rain coming this way. It was supposed to be a sunny, warm day. I mean, if it rains, there go all my plans for the day. All right. So as we plan to sand this section, we have the ever-present spectre of a rumbling storm coming our way. So either it's going to rain or the wind's going to blow, one of those two. But with that in mind, we decided to move all focus to interior tasks. So that's been a pretty productive day. We have done the following. This section is prepped for priming tomorrow. This section here that you just saw me put the final coat of fairing on, it has been done, and that will be ready to sand and prime tomorrow. So we can do this whole section there and this section. Someone's been going around and masking everything off, so it's super useful to have somebody to help out. So Carolyn's just finishing masking this section, so that entire bulkhead going into the corridor and behind the nav station is prepped and ready for priming. That section is still an ongoing section, but tomorrow we'll do the top coat on this whole side, which is really cool. This has also been done and sanded and prepped and ready for tomorrow. So tomorrow this will all get primed as well as this bulkhead. So we've made massive progress today. So I can't wait to come in tomorrow, and all I'm doing is mixing paint and painting. So it should be great. But that leaves us with the end of the video for today. So thank you all for joining today. I will see you all tomorrow morning bright and early. Bye.